This video clip will explain how to create a histogram using Excel to compare data. So with the production data from Adriana and David over the last 12 days, we can compare them graphically. I'm going to put a label here: 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So the days, how many days that the Adriana had 30 or less or more, and how many 40 or more, 50 or more, 60 or more, 70 or more, and so forth. And then I'll do the same for David. But let's do Adriana first. So if we click on data, one of the options should be data analysis. If it's not, raise your hand and we'll get it on your computer. Click on data analysis, and histogram is what we would like to do. So okay, I select that. Now it says input range. I'm going to do Adriana first, so I select that and it goes in this box. The bin range is these right here, so I'll just go ahead and put that in fresh so you can see. I'll just select that. So that's in for the bin range, from 30 to 40, from 40 to 50, all those. I put labels in. I clicked labels because I included Adriana's name in that column. Output range. Where's that data going to go? So if I click down here, it says it's going to go in I2. But what if I want it? I want to put it right here. So I can change that. I'm going to say cumulative percentage. I'm going to click on chart output, and then I'll say OK. So it has created a table here that says so from 30 to 40 there were 3 days. From 40 to 50 there were 2. 50 to 60 there were 4 days for Adriana, and so forth. Maybe I'll just put Adriana up here. So we remember whose that was. It also created this chart. So 25% of the days are 40 or below, 40 shirts per day or below. 41% of the days are 50 shirts per day or less. 75% of the days are 60 shirts per day or less. 92% of the days are 70 shirts per day or less, and all of them, 100% of them, are 80 shirts per day or less. That is the red graph right here. It reaches 100% eventually. So for the group of 40, it was around 25%. Here's the scale for it on this side. This other one is a histogram. So the 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1. That's how you read that one. Just kind of shows you how the data is spread out in each of those groups. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and so forth. Well, let's do that same thing for David. So we'll click on data analysis, histogram, input range changes. Something weird there. I'm going to go ahead and delete that and start fresh. Still looks weird. We'll see if it works. The bin range is the same. It's using 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. The output range I need to change so it doesn't just print right over the other one. Maybe I'll move that one down here. Alright. So let's go ahead and create that. It created a chart for that one as well. Looks a little different. Let's look at the histogram. The histogram has nothing from 40 to 50, but it does have from 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Actually, I'm sorry, that below 50 there are 5, below 60 there are 6, and so forth. So this histogram, the blue, is quite a bit tighter than on David than on Adriana. Maybe I should label that one as David's. So one thing we can do is we can compare them on the same chart. That may be useful. But once you go ahead and create those histograms and get to that point, and we'll start another video for the next step.